everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video we are going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up MailUp Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. It will bring you right to this interface where you're going to click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that's going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Yeah, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries. We're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. Firstly, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, you're going to click on Advanced Settings. Click on Developers Corner and click on New API Key. You're going to enter a name for your application. You're going to enter your developer name. You're going to give it a short description or a note. Once you're done, click on Request Keys. There we go. Our API keys have been created. So you're simply going to copy your client's ID, click on the copy icon, head over back to your account, click on Start Setup. You're going to paste your client's ID, head over back to your account online, click on the copy icon and copy your client secret. Go back to your account and paste your client secret. Click on Complete Setup. Our authorization page is going to pop up. You're simply going to enter your login credentials and click on Log On. So as you can see, our app has successfully been connected. We equally have the support center. At the level support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you install and set up MailUp app with ease. If you encounter any issues, our support team is available 24/7. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.